In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a 2x6 banner in Canva Print. This walkthrough will take you from a blank canvas to a ready-to-print file, with tips to keep your banner crisp, readable, and print safe. Start by opening Canva and selecting Create a Design. Choose Custom Size, and switch the units to inches. Enter 72 for width and 24 for height. That's your 2 feet by 6 feet banner. Setting the correct size up front ensures your layout scales perfectly for large format printing without distortion. Now, add your content. You can start from a template or build from scratch using elements, shapes, and your own uploaded logos or photos. As you design, keep a generous safety margin. Leave at least an inch or two of space between important details like headlines, contact info, and QR codes and the edges. This helps protect your design from getting trimmed during printing and keeps everything easy to read. Use high contrast text and simple fonts so your message stands out from a distance. For images and graphics, choose high quality assets. Large prints magnify imperfections, so avoid small, low-resolution files. A quick trick is to zoom in significantly on your design in Canva. If an image looks fuzzy at high zoom, it will look fuzzy on the banner. Vector shapes and text in Canva will scale cleanly, so lean on those for icons and graphics whenever possible. Before exporting, take a careful pass to review alignment, spelling, colors, and spacing. Make sure the visual hierarchy is clear, and that nothing critical is crowding the edges. Canva's alignment guides can help you center items and keep spacing consistent. When you're ready to download, click Share, then Download. For the best print quality, choose Print PDF. This format preserves vector elements, so text and shape stay sharp. If you run into an issue with PDF, you can export a high-quality JPEG with the quality slider maxed out, but PDF is generally superior for large format printing. If you need a version without a background, for example, for mounting on a colored board, select transparent background and download as a PNG. Note that this option requires Canva Pro. To print, open your downloaded PDF or image, press Ctrl+P, select your printer, and click Print. Make sure your print settings don't scale down the design unintentionally. Keeping it at 100 preserves the full 2x6 size. That's it. Thanks for watching.